This is the secret, guys. Like, if you want to have all that bad fats, waste, toxins in your tummy out, go ahead and do this, and make sure you do it on a day you are at home, because you are going to be pooping everything all out, and you know already the benefits of this purple cabbage. It helps to flush everything out of your system, whether at the level of bad fats, waste, toxins, bad hormones in your system. That is because this is a very powerful cruciferous vegetable. So you have the purple cabbage, you have the white cabbage, you have broccoli. They are all from the same family. They help to flush your system of all those waste build up, toxins, bad fats in your system, causing you to have belly fat. And like, if you're looking to have your belly all down, have this, because it will have you poo poo everything all out. Yeah. So this is your cabbage. What you need is half a cabbage. You want to wash thoroughly with water and vinegar, so you're consuming something really hygienic. So I soaked in water and vinegar and set aside. The second ingredient I use is apple. So this is really concentrated, and I'm using two apples. I'm using the red and the green apple, because the red contains more antioxidants and the green is more medicinal. These work together to cleanse your liver and leave it in good state, to flush all those bad fats, waste, toxins out of your system. Like, your engine is like, your liver is like the engine of your car that does the job of like having your car to function properly. Your liver is that engine, so you want to fortify it to do the job better. And these apples, that is why doctors are scared of apples, because they are just equivalent to them. Apples are very powerful for your organs, and your liver will just work very fast at flushing all those stuffs from your system, and you get your body in shape, all healthy and looking so beautiful. Yeah. So these are the two apples. You slice, wash thoroughly, and you set this aside. Very powerful, and very powerful metabolism boosters as well. These two, I add in some lemon, because of the good acids in lemon. They help to flush those bad acids, slowing down your metabolism, that way activating your system. Once those bad acids are out, causing bloating, constipation, slowing your system, you are just bloated, you face difficulties pooping, your system is just accumulated of air, bad gas, all the toxins, waste build up. This relieves your system and have you poo poo everything all out, and you feel so light, your tummy down, your health improved. Like, this is so good. So this is one lemon, plus it is very fat burning, it boosts your metabolism. So get your one lemon slice and set aside. If you have some mint, just as little as this, mint leaves, they boost your metabolism and bring in some chlorophyll in here, which is very good for cleansing and fat burning. So if you have you some mint leaves, just get two of the stems, and that is just it you need for this recipe. Very powerful. Yeah. So the next thing I go ahead to add is ginger. I love me some ginger, because it is thermogenic. You need thermogenic foods to heat up your system, to be able to burn fat so fast, and ginger does the job. Ginger is very powerful, and I don't use a lot. A little goes a long way. A thumb size is just fine. So this is it. Get your ginger, wash and peel off peel the ginger, and you actually need to slice up so you can get the juice out of this. Yeah, very good at relieving your system from bloating, constipation, and having your system so light, energetic, and very active. So once you consume this, it will flush you out real good, and like, we'll get to there. But the first thing you want to do, if you don't have a juicer, you can blend in your blender. That is fine. You can add some water and blend in your blender. But if you do it this way, like just juice everything all out, it gets even more powerful, because this is just a glass that will do wonders to your system. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm using my juicer, but as I mentioned, you can use your blender and squeeze out. But if you have a juicer, it makes it more concentrated even. So yeah, this is it. Get everything in your juicer. That is the purple cabbage. It will give you a large glass of goodness. Like, you will poop. Make sure you do this on a Saturday or day you are not going to work. You don't want to go and be pooping at work, or if you have a party to attend, you want that thorough like cleanse to flush your tummy and have your dress fit you so well, do it the eve before the day of your party and you will tell me. And plus this will improve your overall health, and you will, we are all about improving and being the better version, improving our health, and this is very healthy as well. So enough of the talking. That is it. All the everything juiced out, and I have this juicer in my description in case you don't have a juicer. This is not pricey, you can get one for yourself. It juices so well, and you have very concentrated, and so this is it. You can use the fiber and add in your smoothie just to have it filling but without calories. Go ahead and mix your juice, and this is it. This is a tall glass of goodness, a tall glass that will flush your system of all the bad fats, waste, toxins, promote good health, cleanse your organs for you, your blood, your system, your like everything. Your liver will love you for this, and your system will function so well. This is it. This is your health, your body in a glass. Yeah, so just go ahead and consume everything all at once, and this is best to consume on an empty tummy, like early in the morning, that you have not eaten any food or oil to obstruct the fat burning cleansing process. You want to consume on an empty tummy in the morning. So if you wake up in the morning, you do this, consume and make like 1 hour, and you will poo everything and have your tummy all down. Plus you want to make sure you're drinking lots and lots of water, fresh clean water, because water helps you with the cleansing process as well. So drink a lot of water throughout the day, as much as your system can accommodate, at least 2 liters. Just keep drinking, it will help you with the flushing. Plus water is something you want to incorporate into your daily life, like having like 2 liters a day of water. That is so important. Once you cultivate that habit of not substituting water, drinking your plain water, it helps you a lot with digestion. When your food digests, there is no room for food stored up to build up in your system, causing belly fat and extra weight. There is no room for excess food that is converting into toxins because your system could not break down, and it becomes toxins in your tummy. There will be no room for waste in your system. So drink your water. Like, this is me, Risa. I am happy with my body. I am not that big as I used to be big before. I just love my healthy body size without excess fat, without belly. This is my most recent picture, and I'm so happy with my body. Like, go ahead and try this recipe. Make sure you pass it on with your family and friends. Try, come back and tell me how you feel about it. You will love it. You will love your body, love your health. And yeah, so share the video and like, subscribe if you haven't yet on this channel, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.